Black hole bomb. Maybe it sounds a nuclear weapon or any kind of bomb to you. But is it a bomb or is it a weapon? Well, we are going to argue and we are going to discuss about that in this session. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about black hole bomb, and this session is important for your GAS 3 perspective. So in this session we are going to talk about the news and we are going to talk about that what is black hole, and then we are going to talk about the black hole bomb and how scientists have experimented it, what is the significance of this experiment. So we are going to talk on to all these topics. So what is the news? So the news is that till now the black hole bomb was existing in theory, but for the first time scientists have experimented through lab. So here we are going to talk about that experiment and whether black hole bomb is a bomb or nuclear weapon and what is it. So basically we are going to talk about that what is black hole bomb. So this is the news that scientists at the University of Southampton have successfully demonstrated the black hole bomb theory in a laboratory setting, marking a historic milestone in our understanding of black hole. So we need not to panic that this is a creation of bomb or something like that. This is a theory which has been experimented and this will help us to understand black hole in a better way. So this is not any nuclear weapon or bomb. This is a theory which will help us to understand universe in a better way. Now we are going to talk about the Drishti IAS Foundation course. So as you already know that Drishti IAS is offering you IAS Foundation course, and it is offering you in offline mode as well as online mode. So for offline mode we have this Drishti IAS Noida Center. So this is our address, C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida. Nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15, and if you want to call us for any kind of the queries you can call us on 87501. Similarly, this course is also available in online mode which is on Drishti Learning app. So if anybody wants to avail it on online mode they can check the Drishti Learning app. Now we are going to discuss about the black hole bomb. So before going to discussion of the black hole bomb, we must know that what is black hole. So black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that even light could not escape. So this is about the black hole. And now we are going to talk about that what is black hole bomb. So the concept of black hole bomb originated in 1970s, which was proposed by the renowned scientists Roger Penrose and Yakov Geldovich. This is very much important for prelims examination because they can ask questions like this, that who has proposed the black hole bomb. So the scientist name is Roger Penrose and Yakov Geldovich, and they theorized that a black hole spin could amplify energy, and if this process is repeated correctly, they had this capacity to produce intense amount of energy that it might explode in a bomb form. So that's why this is called as black hole bomb, because energy is so high. So this is called as black hole bomb. Now we are going to talk about that what is this proven theory. So till the time this theory was existing in the papers, but right now for the first time this has been experimented in the lab. So here we can see that who has experimented. So the Marianne Krom and her team had tested in a lab, and what they did, so they used a spinning aluminum cylinder surrounded by a magnetic fields, and when the cylinder spun faster than the magnetic field the energy was higher, and when there was what you can see, the cylinder spun lower than the magnetic field, the energy dropped, and this totally exemplifies the theory of black hole bomb. So for the first time they had experimented through the aluminum cylinder and magnetic field. So that's why we are saying it as a black hole bomb. So this is for the first time. Now we are going to talk about the does this reveal black hole's true power. So we cannot truly say that it is revealing the black hole's true power or not, but this particular experiment will definitely help us to understand black hole in a different way and more closely and more scientifically. So this breakthrough helps scientists study the power of black holes without going near them. And what kind of methods we have used? So we have used the rotating cylinders and magnetic fields in the lab, and they can mimic what happens around a black hole, especially in the area just outside its edge called ergosphere. So ergosphere is area which is outside of the what you can say event point. So this is ergosphere, and the spinning black hole twists space-time, giving extra energy to particles moving with it, like speeding up in a moving walkway at the airport. So it's too early to say that whether this particular experiment will help us in a different way, but we can definitely say that it has given us a new approach. It has given us a different approach to study black hole more closely, more clearly, and maybe we are going to find out some more what you can say mystery of the space which has been not discovered yet. So this is around the black hole and the biggest mysteries related to the universe. Now we'll talk about the practice question for prelims. So before going to the practice question for prelims, what are the key highlights of today's discussion? So the key highlights of today's discussion, that what is, first of all, you should know that what is black hole. Then you should know that what is black hole bomb. Then you should know that what are the current developments of the black hole bomb theory, whether it is just a theoretical concept or it has been experiment, who has experimented it. You should know the name of the scientist, and then what is the relevance and significance of the study of the black hole bomb theory. So you should know the relevance, significance of all of it. Now we'll talk about the practice question for prelims. With reference to the recent experimental simulation of the black hole bomb concept, consider the following statements. The experiment used a rotating aluminum cylinder in a magnetic field. The energy amplification occurred when the magnetic field rotated faster than the cylinder. This experiment helps mimic the phenomena observed near a black hole's ergosphere. Which of the statement given above is are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. So here one more important point we got to know, ergosphere, because they can ask questions related to the ergosphere. So you should also know that what is ergosphere. So kindly answer into the comment section. And that's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. And do revise this topic for your mains examination also, because they can ask that what is black hole bomb theory, is it a nuclear weapon or not, and how it is going to help us to know the universe in a different way or in a better way or in a closer way. So thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.